how to use coins in Lazada. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining how you could use coins in Lazada and how to use it when you order different products. Now, coins are basically like a discount. You can earn it when you order different types of product, when you use a voucher. There are several ways of how to earn coins, and the way you use coins is, for example, I ordered this t-shirt over here. I will be able to add some discount, like a 10 or 5 peso discount to it by using up coins that I have saved up in my account. Now you could check the status of your coins over here. It's going to be beside the voucher center. As you can see, I have currently 12 coins, which will allow me to save 12 peso. And you can click on use now, which would allow you to check out different products wherein you will be able to use the coins, as you can see here. And I can open this. There will be some events or like some checklist over here at the top where you will be able to earn coins. As you can see, I have earned 12 coins today. Tomorrow, I will be able to earn 16 coins, 22, and so forth. And you could use that to help lessen the price that you're going to pay for when you order a specific product. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.